Hi everybody, my name is Alex Roorda, and I am the high school math teacher at Grenada Huntley East Chain School in Grenada, Minnesota. It's about 10-12 miles north of the Iowa border, right in the middle of the state. We're a district of about 350 kids from preschool all the way up into 12th grade. We're all housed in one building, so it's actually kind of cool. I get to see my kids during the day. It's actually kind of fun. I am the only high school math teacher. I teach all the classes 9 through 12 math. We have a middle school teacher that's 6 to 8. And actually, when I was hired in the district about 4 years ago, I was the only teacher after elementary school for math. So I taught 7 through 12. It was a super cool opportunity. It was a lot of preps, a lot of work, but it was real fun for me to get to know the kids that now will be graduating soon enough, which is crazy. Currently, I teach 2 sections of geometry. We kind of loop our 9th and 10th grade classes together. We do that with the science class, and that's just because, to kind of break up some of the kids and who they have class with all the time. Some of them have the same class day in, day out, every single day, first hour to 7th hour, same kids. So we kind of split it up. It's kind of a good opportunity for them to try different things and have class with different people, and it works out really well. So that's geometry this year, and next year will be algebra 2. Also, for non-university seeking juniors, we have an algebraic studies class, which is basically the continuation of algebra 2. And then after that, second semester is probability and statistics, and so we have just 1 semester of that. And then I also have pre-calc for those that are planning to go to a 4-year school, and that's open to juniors and seniors. And we end the day, actually, I end the day with middle school robotics, which is actually a cool kind of idea that kids get to see the STEM or STEAM idea, incorporating science, technology, engineering, and math all into one thing. We actually just finished up their robotics obstacle courses, which is kind of a cool way to end the quarter. Kids got to program their robot so that they could make it go through the obstacle course. Kind of fun. As for me, I am married to the love of my life, Katie. And we have 3 kids. We have Brock, who's 8, Bentley, who is 4, and then we have little Brielle, who was born on Thanksgiving of this year. So she'll be 2 months just here in a couple days. Kind of a cool deal. She was born, and then we got to watch the Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade, and got to have a Thanksgiving meal from the hospital, which was probably even better than I could have made. So that was pretty good. As for me, I am a varsity football coach. I coach with a co-op here. We are 9-man football, so we only have 9 on the field at a time instead of 11. So that's kind of a cool, brings up some unique things, which is kind of fun. I also am working on building up our family farm up into more of a working farm. My wife's grandparents, actually great-grandparents, bought it just almost 100 years ago. So it's going to be a century farm here in the next couple of years. And it's been kind of dormant for a while, but we got the outbuildings, and so we kind of built it up a little bit. We have chickens, and we have some fruit trees, and we grow a big garden. And so we're just hoping that it continues to grow, hopefully get some big animals this year, and just keep it going. And super fun opportunity that I have with my kids to keep that going and keep up, the long line of family that's owned the farm for a long time. So that's kind of cool. I graduated in 2010 with an undergrad in math education from North Dakota State. And then in 2017, I graduated with a master's degree from St. Mary's in Minnesota. And so I'm currently working on the 18 online program, the 18 credits, through the 18 online program so that I can teach dual credit classes for my students. So that's basically why I'm taking the courses. This is one of them, but I'm also super excited to kind of keep working on that. I've been talking about this for a long time with my kids, and finally my juniors are really hoping that I can get something done by next year. So we'll see. We'll kind of push through it, and we'll get done. As for me, I am really looking forward to meeting all of you, and I hope this year and this semester goes great for you guys. Have a great day.